This is an instructional video about how to find authoritative professional reviews that can help you evaluate a dictionary. We'll start at the UNCG Jackson Library website, and we're simply going to do a general search because we see here that will give us information about articles, books, and databases. In this case, we're looking for information and reviews about the Dictionary of Smoky Mountain English. And we see here that the title we're looking for is the first entry. We view description, and we learn that it's published by the University of Tennessee Press. So right away, we know this is likely an authoritative source because university presses have a peer-reviewed process for how they decide what to publish. We can also check out Explore editions and formats, and we see that it is only available as a print title. Let's read a bit more about the title. We learned that it is the first comprehensive historical record of the traditional speech of the region. Focusing on the Smoky Mountains of East Tennessee and western North Carolina, it features more than 6,000 names, usages, meanings, and folk expressions found in the region. Important to note about this description is that it's what's on the book jacket. So that means it was written by the publisher. And the publisher wants to sell books, so they're going to make it sound terrific. So to really evaluate the title, we'll need to use or read some reviews. We come down to this next group of reviews. It looks like they are all articles that are published in peer-reviewed journals. I'd like to point out that this last one here is anonymous, so we would likely not select that one as part of our review process because we want to be able to evaluate who is reviewing the title. So let's look at the first one. Full text. So right away, I see that the author of this review is from Western Carolina University. And that's helpful to know because the university is located in the region the book is about. The reviewer is likely to be able to speak with some authority. The publisher of the review is the American Library Association, which is another authoritative source. And this review is very complimentary. In the interest of time, I'll not read it, but some phrases and words that jump out at me are that it is comprised of oral history transcripts, local documents, church minutes and letters, and based on research that is collected over 60 years. And the reviewer ends by saying, summing up, highly recommended. So this is a terrific review. Let's look at the next one. And this is a longer review, but we learn pretty quickly that it's even more complimentary. Phrases such as amazingly crafted, an outstanding example of how an excellent dictionary can accomplish lots of purposes, based on more than 5 decades of extensive data collection, and that his principle for including entries are unimpeachable. Finally, the supplementary material has the potential to be as useful as the dictionary itself and is a treasure trove of Southern Mountain speech sources. And then finally, how it is a crowning achievement to which no one else has the scholarly acumen to aspire. Pointing out that this reviewer is a linguistic anthropologist who directs the Appalachian Studies program at Virginia Tech and has herself written a book on discourse in Appalachia. So to sum up, both of these reviews are glowing, and these reviewers are writing with authority because they are either affiliated with universities in the subject region or writing in journals related to that region. So with this bit of research, I'd feel comfortable in recommending this title to a patron or perhaps in recommending that a library purchase it.